Business quality video conferencing has been mainly confined to conference rooms, but managers and executives have been looking for ways to make communications from these solutions more efficient, easier to use, and broader in reach. Now, with RadVision's PC-based high-definition Scopia desktop, you don't need to go to the conference room to have a conference. Scopia Desktop easily extends your room system conferencing application to remote and desktop users for voice, video, and data communications. Take conferencing where you go, instead of being told where to go. Scopia Desktop is a simple web browser plugin that is centrally managed and deployed without complex licensing fees or installation issues. Simply click on a link and in moments you are ready to go. Include teleworkers in meetings, participate in video conferences from the road, collaborate with partners and suppliers, and seamlessly connect through firewalls. Scopia Desktop is designed to meet the demands of high-performance video conferencing with a standard PC and internet connection. It includes the latest in video technology, providing high-definition H.264 for viewing both meeting participants and data collaboration. Its audio system provides echo cancellation and background noise suppression, and scalable video coding delivers high resilience to network errors common on the internet. Meeting participants and presentation data can be viewed simultaneously with different layouts to change the focus between conference participants, data collaboration, and chat. Connectivity is also provided to any standard-based telephone, video conferencing system, telepresence system, or 3G mobile device, extending communication capabilities inside the enterprise and beyond. Inviting these systems is simple either on the fly or through the built-in directory. Scopia Desktop makes it easy to share presentations and other materials between PCs and video conferencing room systems through its built-in, high-definition, web-based data collaboration. This capability includes annotation and supports H.239 content sharing, ensuring room system interoperability. Scopia Desktop uses the concept of virtual conference rooms. The virtual room concept is an electronic location for a meeting, in effect, creating a conference room without walls. These rooms without walls can be hidden and locked for security reasons, or can be well known for easy access, just like a phone extension. Attending is as simple as entering the conference ID, or clicking a hyperlink inside Microsoft Outlook or Lotus Notes calendar notification. Scopia Desktop provides full moderation capabilities to control the meeting, including inviting other participants, muting participants, granting requests to speak, blocking a participant's video, disconnecting unwanted attendees, enabling streaming for conference webcasting, starting recording, displaying participants' names, locking, and terminating meetings. The recording feature captures the audio, video, and data, including annotations, preserving meetings in high definition for future playback. VCR-style controls provide access to any portion of the recording. Scopia Desktop also provides integrated streaming for conference webcasting to both PC and Mac-based participants. This allows viewing of both the speakers and presentation content video streams. Simultaneous unicast and multicast support extends your meeting to a virtually unlimited number of participants. With the Scopia Desktop Pro option, several additional key features are available. The Presence-enabled contact list allows users to simply and efficiently call each other directly. Users can then seamlessly transition from point-to-point to multi-party calls. Virtual rooms can also be owned by individuals and personalized. With so many Scopia Desktop features available, we cannot cover them all in this demonstration. RadVision invites you to take a closer look. RadVision Scopia Desktop provides a video experience, giving you that extra personal touch needed to do business. And better communication means better business. Improve your communication, advance your business, and save money. What are you waiting for? Try Scopia now.